Hello, this is Steve Lucas. I'm the owner of Powder Dynamics Electronic Marketing. We also own a company called Power Apps That Work. We're a mobile app development company. We're the largest here in Colorado. We have over 100 apps in the app market right now. And we serve a lot of different verticals. So today I want to take you through a app that we've just made for a local realtor, Mike Pesh over at Remax Alliance. And I want to show you the value and the benefits that an app can provide to yourself or your firm. So we'll talk a little bit about that in a moment. First of all, I want to talk to you about the graphic sets that we do, because selling homes is very high in imagery. So we produce graphics on 3 different sizes. We produce graphics for a typical standard phone. We produce graphics for the iPhone 5, which is a 7-inch screen, and we also do graphics for tablets. So that would be Android and iPad tablets. So you get 3 nice graphic sets. Then with regard to the mobile app itself, we go through and get it approved by Apple, so it's downloadable from iTunes. We also go to Play Google, so your app is available there as well. And a big bonus, we do a free mobile website version of the app. And we can redirect people to that mobile website if you don't have one already. And so you're getting 3 products with 3 different graphic sets, all at a real affordable price. So you'll see that we've got some rotators here. We do a lot of different graphic sets, a lot of different layouts. And we can discuss those with you in detail when you move forward with a mobile application. So let's go ahead and dive into this mobile app and kind of take it piece by piece and show you what we've got. First of all, we've got one touching buttonry on the front, so users can, right from the front of the app, call you, get directions to your office. They can also share this app with a friend. So maybe they have a friend that wants to list their home, maybe they are selling their home. But anyway, they'd be able to share this application with their network of friends. So some of the functionality pieces, we have a contact piece in here. And again, the contact piece is call us, one touch, website. Remember, if you get that mobile website from us for free, you'll be able to have a nice mobile website version. And then email, so they can email you from here as well. They're able to find your office and get directions there using Google Maps. And we can also put additional content in here. So maybe when you do the hours and days that you're available for showings, any pertinent information like that we can put in that text box. Okay, then getting into some of the buttonry in the app, we have a button here for buyers and a button for sellers. So it's very easy. Am I a buyer? Am I a seller? So we'll open up the button for the buyers and we'll see what's available inside that button. So in here we have sign up for alerts, we have listings, so the user can say, wow, I'd like to see the listing. Nice piece of what we've done here is we actually took the frame ID number and framework from Michael, from Iris, and we've put that in here. So if I search a property and I ask for information on this property, because it's coming through Mike's framework and his Iris account, he will get the information that these people are looking for a home. So again, creates a nice little one-stop shop for contacting, for getting new clients, getting warm leads for perhaps listings. Then we also have a list of open houses, and the user can perhaps get some information if they're trying to buy a home. So we've tied into House Logic, and they're able to search here for different topics on the importance of looking at different things when selling a home. And then also, if you have an RSS feed or perhaps you have a blog, we can put all those links in here. Perhaps you have a YouTube on different things to look at when you're buying a home. All those links, all that information can be brought into one area. And what's unique about an app as opposed to a website is we're keeping people locked into the mobile, into your mobile application. So even though we're taking them out maybe to a third party here, they don't have to try to find a way to get back to your web page. Maybe they get lost in the shuffle. You know how the way the web works. There's a lot of lost links. Inside a mobile application, that's how quick you go from external information into internal information. So we have a button here as well for sellers. And so there's some value pieces here for sellers. And again, if you have your own information, we can create tabs that have your own unique branded information. You just need to let us know how we can put that together and what your ideas are. But again, we're creating a very easy way for potential clients and current clients to keep in the loop with you. We're going to spend a moment and talk about messaging. This is push notifications. Push notifications is huge. It is probably the primary reason that mobile applications are so popular. Push notifications, the open rate is 98% of people that get a push notification actually will read it and absorb that information. And that action happens in about 15 minutes. Let's compare that to email, drip email. Drip email would be like Constant Contact or MailChimp. Unfortunately, drip email is down to less than a 10% open rate, and the time frame for that is 6.5 hours. So for sure, if you're trying to get immediate information, real-time information, create some excitement, mobile application, push application, push function is the only way to do that. And what's cool about our push notification system is we've got a lot of different things we can do. So let's go through a few of them. First of all, when a push notification comes into a phone, it pops up on the main screen. It'll also pop up in the drop-down bar. And then it archives here inside your app. So there's many different areas and places that people can find that push notification. Push notifications can be sent to all users. We can also, in our software, we have the ability for you to send out a push notification that automatically will post to Facebook, and it'll go out as a tweet. You have the option of sending just to Android devices or just Apple devices or all of them. So we give you a lot of ability to control where that message goes. Additionally, we have the ability to lock in and put in URLs and links. So perhaps you put a push notification out that says, hey, check out our new home listing. And it has a video. You've put a video together. Or maybe has a Picasso or Instagram album. You can put that link directly in this message. So people can see the new listing. And without having to go search anywhere else, they can just hit that link. Maybe it's the MLS link. And it'll take them directly to that home listing. You can also send push notifications geographically. So perhaps you've got families in Florida that are looking for a home here. You could send out a push notification that was geographically just going to Florida and just hit those people with that information. So very, very powerful piece. A lot of unique ways that our clients have been successful utilizing push notifications, and we'd be more than happy to have a discussion with you on how that would work for your business. So that's push notifications. You can also access push notifications again from the user could hit this little bell, and that would take them to the push notifications as well. Remember, 98% open rate in 15 minutes. We give you a nice little control panel that you're able to do the push notifications from, and we also, it's a back-end panel for the whole app, so you're able to update information, delete, edit, images, buttons, all types of easy, user-friendly pieces to keep your app updated and current. This is a calendar function feature that we have. So you could list open houses, you could list maybe some training events, some educational pieces that you're doing. And the power here is we can, again, imagery. You're selling homes, very high in imagery, so you can get images up here. You can put all types of additional information here in the home. You can hot link back to maybe YouTube video, maybe an Instagram album, maybe the MLS on the home, but all types of one-touch hot links can be placed here. Even your phone number. If you like this home, touch this button and it'll automatically call your phone. So again, just think of how easy a user can get information and stay engaged with you and maybe not start looking for other agents. You can lock them in. So this event, here's the day that I would like to add this event to my calendar. I don't have to cut and paste. I don't have to go back and type this all in. This automatically takes this event, this open house, and places it in my default calendar. So your users will be able to do that, and they'll put that in their Yahoo, their Google, maybe Outlook, whatever calendar they're using as a default calendar. This event automatically gets put into that calendar. How convenient is that? And then you also have the ability for your users to share this. So perhaps they're not in the market for this specific house, but they know somebody that is. They could share this on Facebook or Twitter, and they could help this event. Maybe it's an educational event and they want to share that for you, or you ask them to share it in their social network. They can do that right from here. Again, you're making it so easy and so seamless for your clients to move through and get information. You can put more pictures on this specific event. Users can, maybe you put in here, I'd like to see if you'd be interested in attending this event, this show, this open house, and people can actually list, and you could see a list of who is going. Wouldn't that be kind of neat to kind of know, predetermine how many people are going to come visit you for your event? So again, a very powerful piece that event calendar is. We have a nice little listings calendar, so you could place homes in here that you've listed, and users would be able to get information on that home. I can click in here, get additional information. This will take me directly to the MLS piece for this home. You could put images in here, so again, more images. You could put links to video. You can put links to anything in the world right from here, just a one-touch piece. We can also put some banners at the bottom, so perhaps we would type in here single-family homes. Maybe we'd put over here multifamily homes, maybe for rent. So we could split the map up, and it would give each of those tags a different color. So you may have some green, which is for multifamily. You might have some purple, and that would be for rentals. And again, they could also, the user could go in here and get a nice streamlined list function, and the colors would be appropriate to, again, whatever tags we used at the bottom of the map. So I'm sure you can see how powerful that would be. Again, they could get directions directly to those listings and drive by. And remember, they're doing all this, again, just from your mobile application. So your social media we can put in here: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, any type of social media you're using, Google+. We have a testimonials area, so you could ask your clients, when they're happy with, they got through the closing and you've gone there and welcomed them into their new home, and you could ask them, hey, would you leave a nice little testimonial on my app? And then new potential people, when they come into your office, or you let them know that you have a mobile application and that's how you like to engage with your clients, they'll be able to look right here and see the nice testimonials you've gathered from your past clients. Submit photos. Here's a way to create a warm lead for a listing, perhaps. So in here, you could ask the user to take a few pictures. You'll get those pictures. You'll get them in an email. You'll get their email contact information, and then you're able to get back with them, set up an appointment, and creates a warm lead. And again, this is all happening from the mobile application. Just imagine all these different functions. Users love this. Users love everything to be in one place. And the easier you make it for them to do business with it, your business will highly succeed. Here's a nice little mortgage calculator. Again, another piece that right inside your application. They don't have to go searching for a mobile loan calculator. It's all here. You're giving them all these value pieces in one place. We've got some links to some information about local markets. So again, users can find out more about our great city, and maybe about Larimer County, or whatever information you want to bring them to and provide to them, and how important that is to you. We can help you do that through our strategies and through our functionality. Here they can get some current market information through FCBR. And again, all different types, whatever you wanted to put in here for information, maybe your own branded information. Again, we can provide all that. We've got a nice little search piece. So here we put in, it's already pre-populated with real estate. So this will search Google News for everything that's keyworded with real estate. Maybe you want to put your realty company in here so people can automatically be pulled up with all the information locally here on your specific company. They can also look at all the tweets. So Fort Collins real estate are the keywords. Here's the tweets that have been that have gone out over the last several days with regard to that. So again, imagine all the impact and all the great pieces and information and functionality you can give them here. And then we also did something pretty neat. You've got affiliates, you've got people that you work with that you want to help, and perhaps maybe they provide you with a few bucks for the app, and maybe you want to highlight them. Different ideas, but you can go in here and I want to look for a contractor. And so in here I've got the ability to see local electricians. I can see different contractors, builders, and if I'm interested in contacting any of them, I could do that right from just touching this button on my phone, and it would automatically call them. I can leave comments here. So perhaps I had a great experience with one of these builders or contractors or lenders. I can leave testimonial comments there as well. So we've got staging, again, nice little graphics, and the ability to contact these people. And again, remember, this creates some business for them, so they may you may want to approach them and say, listen, I'm thinking about putting an app together, and I'd like to see if you would like to help financially. And then we also have many other functions that aren't here. We have the ability to create email forms where you can put your email forms in there. So maybe you have certain forms that you like people to fill out prior to looking for a home. Maybe you want to put an FAQ page in there with specifics, things to look out for, things to be concerned with. You could put a link to maybe, or put all your forms in here that you use. So again, so much that you can do with a mobile app. And I'm not going to take up any more of your time today. I think I've really got the point across. We are available at any time to discuss face-to-face or remotely your ideas for your mobile application.